Hello, my pretties. Anytime you can work out outside under the sun, I say do it. Take your clothes off or your top. Girls, I don't know. That's up to you if you want to get arrested or not, I suppose. That's it. That's all I've got for you. You don't even need equipment. I guess I have more for you. You can just use no equipment or get some easy resistance bands, and there's all kinds of things you can do outside with just a set of resistance bands and your own body weight. Maybe some playground equipment at your local park. And if you want to see the bands that I use, I've been using these 11 years now, and I still have them. I love them. Over a decade. If you want a link to these, let me know. I'll send you the link to the ones that I use. 11 years. They haven't snapped or anything. That's pretty cool. Actually, if you want a link to anything I use, just let me know. And also, I've got my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. Lots of fitness and health tips and recipes and grocery lists and all kinds of stuff. Feel free to share this if you want to. It's just a good reminder to go work out and get outside.